How to use Ria Money Transfer app step-by-step beginner tutorial. So once you pretty much start the app after downloading and installing it from the App Store, of course, you're gonna have to register. So in the US or Canada, enter your email, password, name, birth date, phone, and address. If it's elsewhere, you can just already enter your phone, verify your SMS, the name, email, DOB, and then your address. But if for some reason you already have an account, then you can just go ahead and directly log in. Once that's done, you can go ahead and complete your verification. Uh, it's gonna be locked for some security reasons, but you can contact customer service in order to unlock your account. But once you do, you can pretty much already start sending money once you have the account you have for RIA. You can tap send or the send money on the main screen, select the destination country, and enter how much you want to send or how much the recipient should receive. You can choose payment and delivery, so choose your payment method, either a debit card, which is faster, or a bank transfer with a lower fee. You can select the recipient's delivery as well, so it could be a bank account, a cash pickup at a nearby RIA location if it's available for them, a mobile wallet if available in destination country. Then you can add the recipient, so choose an existing recipient or create a new entry. So for mobile cash pickup, name and location are required, and for bank deposit, their name, account number, bank name, Swift, BIC, and more is required. So you're gonna have to have some sort of communication with your recipient, of course. Then just go ahead and review and pay. You're gonna have to double check those details and send an approved payment with your chosen method. You can track your transfer, you can see the order status, and once that's done, you can go ahead and check if the money has been sent through your transactions. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.